Today we're doing ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. So if they tell you a ratio of 3 to 9, okay, you write it just like a fraction, 3 over 9. They might show it to you like this. Okay, you still use it as you still write it as a fraction, 3 over 9. Okay, simplify it and you want to simplify it, get it in its lowest terms. What can I simplify this by?
1/3.
3, so 1/3. Write this then. They give you the ratio 12 baskets to 18 attempts. So you write it as a fraction, then reduce it as much as possible. I'm going to take 6 out of both of these and get 2/3. And then if it says explain its meaning, then I need 1 sentence explaining what this means. Someone want to raise your hand and tell me what this means? Brody.
For every 12 baskets, there's 18 attempts.
Okay.
I got 6 nights.
Hey, yeah, kinda. It would be more as in for every 18 attempts, he made 12 baskets. Okay? But let's use the reduced term, the one in simplest form. So it would be for every 3 attempts,
There's 12 baskets. Or 2 baskets.
he made 2 baskets. So if it says explain, you are required to write at least 1 sentence, just like the sentence we just wrote. Any questions? 8 ounces to 3 pounds. So I write 8 ounces over 3 pounds. When we're talking about measurements and that type of stuff, write your units. Now what I want to do is I want to write this in the simplest term. But before I do that, I need to write it where they have the same unit. So I need to find which is the smaller unit, pounds or ounces? Ounces. Ounces is smaller. Okay. If you look in the back of the book, it tells you there are 16 pounds in an ounce, or 16 ounces in a pound. Okay, 16 ounces in a pound. So I take 3 times 16, I get 48 over 8. Then I reduce. Divide both those by 8, I get 1 over 6. That's my answer. If it asks you to explain, it would be for 1 ounce of something, you get 6 ounces of another. Any questions? 15 inches to 1 foot. So 15 inches over 1 foot. What's my smaller unit? Inches or feet? Inches. So what I do is I change my foot to inches. How many inches are in a foot? 12. In the back of the book it tells you there are 12 inches in a foot. Now what I can do is I can reduce this. I can take what out of both of these? 3. I get 5/4. So 5 inches of one thing gives me 4 inches of another. Any questions?
Wait, can't you reduce 5/4?
You do not want to change this to a mixed number because it needs to be a ratio of two numbers. If you said 1 and 1/4, that wouldn't make any sense when you're comparing two numbers. So an improper fraction here is fine. All right? Any questions? Here's your homework.